Chalo, all those who have got the interview calls, you start asking questions
Jain
first.
sir.
Okay, ask any question. Yeah, Gaurav, go ahead. Who will start? Kevi, you want to start?
Right, sir. Sir,
Okay.
my question is, my calling letter has come and my SSB date is on 30th of August this month. So
This
I'm still doing my final years and I haven't got my graduation certificate. So,
not required. Not required. Your graduation certificate will be required the day you join the academy. So don't worry
okay,
about
sir.
it.
But sir,
Okay.
in the details they have said that to submit our mark sheet and graduation certificate before
You
1st of October, sir.
Yeah, that's okay. 1st of October is okay because you're going on 30th August. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
need not have this thing. If you have it, take it. If you don't have it, so you submit on 1st of October. Till then, you will get it. You paid for the exam already, na?
No, sir. Our exam is still pending due to lockdown.
Okay, that they'll sort out the problem later. They'll get up issue. Otherwise, the
Right, sir.
rule position is you require a certificate only on the day of joining the academy, not even before that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and you
Okay, sir.
should carry some provisional proof with you that you have paid for the examination,
Examination.
final
Admit
exam.
card will
Right,
work.
sir.
Yeah, whatever
Okay,
you
sir.
No,
carry.
So
sir.
one question, sir,
Okay, so
is related
but
to Kiwi's question, sir.
just a minute. So in case of a lockdown, if your exam has
Yes, sir.
not been held or your result has not been announced, they will consider it. You have to just
Okay,
send a
sir.
mail to them that this is the problem and I cannot do it because my exam has not been held. They'll give you an answer for that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Devinder.
Sir,
So, sir, if Kiwi goes for an SSB interview, what will he write in the percentage section of his graduation slide?
Examination result yet to be received. लिखो result not received. Result
Okay, sir.
result not
He
करना
doesn't have
result.
to write the result for first year, second year.
फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर लिख दो ना. फाइनल वाला जो नहीं है उसका लिख दो नॉट रिसीव्ड. फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर लिख दो.
Okay, sir.
But
sir,
then in that, hey, just a minute, the column is only for graduation, na? Column is
yeah.
only for graduation. So you write only graduation, don't write first, second year, and say appeared, result awaited. Okay, right? Result awaited. Don't say not yet received, say result awaited. Result awaited. Everybody is clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this is a normal situation for anybody who goes for the first chance to NDA or what do you call CDS. Anybody who
CDS.
goes for the first time, because it will always be result awaited. Okay? Yeah, Pooja.
So I'm pursuing two courses, like one diploma and one company secretary courses. Can I mention those in that educational section?
But your graduation वाले में तो graduation किसमें की है? BSc की है, BA की है?
Law,
BBA.
BBA, LLB.
BA तो mention that.
Yes,
And
sir.
extra achievements वाला जो last में पैरा होता है, there you can say pursuing company secretary or whatever. But then be ready to answer that.
So I just passed one. There are 3 levels, and I have passed just one level. I'm appearing for the second level in December.
So you
That's it.
can write appeared first level, and when he asks you questions in the interview, tell him this is what it is.
Yes, sir.
But
And so,
that is not the eligibility. Eligibility is the graduation. That is
yes,
your
sir.
BA LLB wala thing. You done 5 years LLB?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the graduation. 5 years wala. Okay. Who else?
Sir, I had a doubt regarding my GTO, sir.
Yeah, bolo.
Sir, in GTO, sir, what if a person do not get any idea in PGT, sir, or in HGT, sir? And my follow-up question is that, sir, in group planning exercise, sir, like I know how to write, but I do not know the format of writing the solution, sir. Like
Group
how to
planning में
mention
कुछ
the
नहीं.
timing and the distance.
Group planning में कुछ नहीं लिखना है.
No, sir,
Group
the
planning
solution that we write.
solution that you have to write, he'll tell you what is the format. अपनी तरफ से आपने कुछ नहीं लिखना है. He'll explain to you what you have to write is you have to say, okay, I have to start from point A to point B. He said, I start from point A in the bus or in the bloody truck or in the boat or on a cycle, whatever. Okay, with your team. First bridge is broken, you will do this. Somewhere something happens, do this. Or you will tell somebody, okay, you take a detour from the fields. I will come from this side. You go and call the bulldozer. We build the bridge. Likewise. तो वो जब
Okay.
डिस्कस करोगे क्या करना है, अपने आप द पॉइंट्स विल इमर्ज एंड विच एवर वे यू फील, और उसका वो फॉर्मेट भी दे देगा, और अदरवाइज यू लुक फॉर वन ऑफ द गाइड्स, यू विल गेट द फॉर्मेट. Okay, you look for it and share it with all of us, because I have a format which we do in the
Fine.
army, so I've forgotten what is in SSB.
Okay.
But वो army वाला format is quite complex and you will not be able to understand it. तो आप इसको ढूंढो, नेट पे ढूंढो और हम सबको बताओ. Okay, but I can assure you there's nothing complicated about it. Even if you did not have coaching, you still briefing of GTO will ensure that you can write that properly. Okay, तो घबराने की बात नहीं है. तो that's why I'm saying don't complicate the stuff. दिमाग में टेंशन मत लाओ. Okay.
So my first question was that what if you do not get any idea in sir PJT and HGT sir?
PJT, what has happened to the audio? There's an echo. Just switch off your mics. PGT, all the 4 group tasks. Okay, they are very simple ones. Were you there when I showed the PPT, Shiv Kumar?
Yes sir, yes sir.
So didn't I show you fatta, balli, rope, drum and cantilever?
Sir.
तो उसमें बनाने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है यार? कोई ऐसी, there's nothing very complicated about it. He will just tell you, take this load. That load could be a drum, and along 3-4 of you have to cross from point A to point B. And in between, he would tell you, okay, you can put your feet only on so and so squares, and you cannot put your foot on the ground. Abhi, what you have to do is, with the help of that fatta, you have to make those cantilevers along with those poles which are there on ground. And वो बड़े आसानी से बनता है, कोई problem नहीं है. And 3-4 of you discussing, you're not alone. So once you're discussing, अपने आप idea निकलेगा. Now your point is, you must contribute to the plan. First and the foremost thing is that you become the leader. When that GTO is explaining to you, you ask maximum number of questions so that you understand the problem very well. Moment you understand the problem well, 99.9% solution will be with you. अभी क्या होगा, तुम लोग डरोगे. That first क्या बोलते हैं, hitch will be there. Somebody else will take the leadership. Okay, but doesn't matter. अगर वो ले भी गया, now when the plan is being discussed among 4 of you, don't you discuss plans among 4 of you? क्या आम तोड़ने कैसे जाना है, लड़की को कैसे छेड़ना है, बस वाले के थप्पड़ को कैसे थप्पड़ मारना है, करते हो ना प्लान? ये तो ये भी वही प्लानिंग है. There's nothing much difference. उसी तरीके से करना, कोई प्लान निकल आएगा. Then you have to execute it. Now only thing you have to remember is whether when the discussion was going on or when the plan is being executed, your contribution should be the maximum. अब वहां पे चटक लोग होंगे जो बड़े सीख साख के आए होंगे पहले से, तो वो फटाफट दे विल टेक, कोई बल्ली उठा लेगा, कोई रस्सी उठा लेगा, and they'll start moving up. You should also try to do that. But आप पीछे रह गए. But I showed you the photographs, the body language of the person जो पीछे रह गया है. I showed you the guy who's a failure and showed you the guy who's a successful chap even पीछे रहने के बाद. So remember that. Shiv Kumar, do you remember those pictures or not?
Yes sir.
That day you were not attentive, otherwise you would not have asked this question. Anyway,
Sir, I had one.
When are you going for SSB?
So on 1st of September sir.
Okay, उसके पहले remind me एक बार फिर से. I'll show you the presentation once again to you all. Decide amongst yourself when do you want it. And that day should be the one where maximum of you are affected. Okay, I'll show you the presentation, explain those things again, and all those do's and don'ts दोबारा से बताऊंगा मैं. Okay, Pooja, you wanted to ask a question.
Ask my doubt, I think.
What?
So I asked my doubt. It's clear
Yeah,
now.
go ahead.
So no, I already asked. It's clear.
There you are. Okay, who else? All
Saksham,
those boys and girls you're going for SSB, do not go with any doubt in your mind. The principal thing being, be very relaxed, easy, and once you land up over there, try and listen to that guy very, very attentively. He will tell you what is to be done, and 99.9% that will be within your capability. ये हो नहीं सकता कि आपको प्लान करना नहीं आता. पिक्चर जाना होता है स्कूल से भाग के, डोंट यू प्लान कौन सी सड़क तो कौन सी दीवार क्रॉस करनी है, कैसे टीचर को चकमा देना है, वहां जाके कैसे ब्लैकियों से टिकट लेना है, डोंट यू प्लान ऑल दैट? तो ये भी वही प्लानिंग है यार, देयर इज नथिंग वेरी स्पेशल अबाउट इट, एंड यू शुड बी पॉजिटिव कंट्रीब्यूटिंग, दैट इज द बेसिक थिंग. या निहारिका, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have my SSB on 25th of August, and the
Okay.
trains are already cancelled in my state.
तो उसको आप पूरा ट्राई एंड कीप अ म्यूट योर माइक फर्स्ट, म्यूट योर माइक. या, so try and keep a 1 or 2 days cushion with you, and in case something untoward occurs, suppose your train is cancelled or something, send a mail to the SSB that this is what has happened, I have not been able to come because the so and so train was cancelled, and you should have some kind of a notification of cancellation of train. They'll change your thing, don't worry about that. But if you don't react, keep sitting quietly, then it will go as a no show that you did not appear. But you must inform them in time, okay, that I'm reserved by so and so train has been cancelled, there's no way I can come, because train will not get cancelled at the last moment. Okay, even if it gets cancelled at the last moment, you immediately go and send a mail. And meanwhile, what you can do is put an apprehensive mail to them. Yeah, I'm supposed to attend. Where are you going, Niharika? Unmute your mic.
Sir, Bangalore SSB.
And where are you from? Where are you to leave?
I'm Odisha, Cuttack.
Okay. So Cuttack to Bangalore, keep a track of the trains. Is it a direct train or it is the connecting one? Do you have to change the train somewhere? Unmute yourself and speak. Unmute yourself and speak. Yeah. Niharika,
I think, yes, sir. I think, sir, from Bhubaneswar to Bangalore.
haven't you got the reservation done?
No, sir.
Then get it done. How will you tell them that you wanted to come and it is cancelled? You should always give a photocopy of your reservation ticket. At least send a picture of that along with a mail. Look, I was supposed to come from this train and this train is cancelled. Some proof that train is cancelled, so that they'll give you a fresh date. Otherwise, they will not give you. And since you are from
Okay,
Odisha,
sir.
from Cuttack, there is a Rotary
Yes,
Club
sir.
in Barampur. I am addressing the girls from Odisha on 11th of August at 5 o'clock in the evening. You can attend that seminar, joining the armed forces. There will be only girl candidates from Odisha. Is it clear, Niharika?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
If you haven't got your reservation done, how do you say train is cancelled?
So my mama said that he's in railway, and he told me that all the schedules are cancelled. That's why.
You get the reservation done immediately.
Okay, sir. I'll do it.
It's not by just telling them. You have to send them a proof that your train has been cancelled. So you should have that reservation with you. Yeah, anybody else?
Yes, sir, Saksham here.
You have no question?
So Devendra,
Sir, I have a doubt.
sir.
Yes, sir, my doubt is regarding W80, that I'm doing around 50 to 55 W80s. Not
Okay.
55 actually, 50, near 50.
Okay.
So is it okay or should I improve more?
Now you have to improve it right all. छोड़ना कोई नहीं है.
Sir, how to do it?
Practice.
My SSB on 14th.
Practice. हो जाएगा, practice हो जाएगा. छोड़ना मत.
Okay, sir. Okay,
And
sir.
sequence गलत नहीं होनी चाहिए. Negative नहीं होना
Yes,
चाहिए.
sir.
Sequence गलत नहीं होनी चाहिए. Yeah, Devinder.
Yes, sir.
So doubt
जाएगा.
related to Saksham's question. Sir,
Yeah.
in the VATs, I've seen a lot of candidates speaking about not using words like can, must. So do I have to worry about those, or I just write
No,
positive
I
sentence?
gave you a list of do's and don'ts. You should not use idioms. You should not use obvious words. You should not use obvious sentences. You don't say grass is green. Or honestly, I can be honest. I can be honest person.
Universal truth. I understand, sir. But I'm saying that you cannot use a good sentence. You cannot use the word can.
Avoid
phrases.
using it. Avoid using it because they are not good sentences. That shows that your mental ability is less.
Okay, sir. If you take an example, the word is parents. So my sentence would be parents should be respected. So I've seen a lot of candidates saying that should not be used. The
Just
word
write,
should not be used.
write respect your parents.
All those
Respect.
words should not be used like idioms or
That's what I'm
phrases.
saying. Don't do that. Write respect your parents.
Okay. So can we use just a
So we
word
can say that
to represent the word?
Yeah,
Like the word respect is there, and I'm not getting any sentence to write there. Can I write one word? For example, army, doctors, etc., etc.
What army doctors? What are the army doctors got to do with respect?
Sir, I've seen a video on YouTube which saying that whenever you don't get a sentence related to the word, you can use the nearest word which comes to your mind related to the word.
Nearest word is respected, respectable, respecting. Those are the nearest words. Respect,
No, sir,
respect.
not in meaning. What imbibes you, what excites you for that word.
No. That is not correct. Nearest words are respecting, respectable, respected. Those are nearest word. Like you have a noun, you can convert to adverb. You can convert into verb. Those are the nearest words. But you can't say respect army doctor. That is not there. You should say army doctors.
Is this
You should say
Sir,
army doctors. Listen to me. Hold it. You should say army doctors are respected. Respected lot. That you can say. But not just army doctors. Army doctors are respectable lot. Everybody respects army doctors. Everybody respects army personnel. That you can say. Respects, respectable, respecting.
oh, sir, just a doubt, sir. I read an article in which the student was there. He was recommended. He gave this example where he got the word father, and he just wrote. He didn't have any idea for the sentence. He wrote my father or father with respect. He wrote father. So he did not write a sentence.
I told you people 10 days back that there are 3
Yes.
people assessing you. It rarely happens. Switch off your mics here. It's very disturbing. Mute your mics. I told you very clearly that rarely happens that all 3 guys have recommended you. GTO, IO, and what do you call psychologist. So I said the maximum weightage is given to the interviewing officer. Second highest is the psychologist, and GTO mein you should not do anything negative. Not doing anything negative is that you should just pass. Means you should be seen contributing, you should seen be working. अपनी लिम्स वाली क्वालिटी जो है ना, यही है ना जीटीओ वाली कर्मन. तो कर्मन में आपने जो खड़े नहीं थे, स्पेक्टेटर नहीं थे, जब काम हो रहा था तो यू वर एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेंट. कोशिश करनी है लीडर बनने की. अगर लीडर ना भी बन सको तो यू शुड बी अ गुड सबॉर्डिनेट. 2 ही चीजें होती हैं टीम में, लीडर एंड सबॉर्डिनेट. ट्राई टू बी अ गुड लीडर. इफ यू कांट बी अ गुड लीडर, बी अ गुड सबॉर्डिनेट. मींस एवरीवेयर जब वो प्लानिंग की बात हो रही है, दिमाग की बात हो रही है, when you are saying reasoning ability, your reasoning is there, your contribution is there. उसके बाद execution के time पे when that load is being carried, so you should also be part of the team to be carrying load. पीछे रह गए तो you should be giving a directions पीछे से. So that is all is required. तो वहां क्या होता है कि suppose you made a mistake, let's say in psychologist this thing. Psychologist says Devinder Singh not recommended, but interviewing officer says then they ask him conference में. वो पूछते हैं साइकोलॉजिस्ट से, प्रेसिडेंट बैठा होता है बोर्ड का, कि व्हाई यू डोंट वांट टू रिकमेंड हिम. ही विल से सर उसने दिखाई सम क्वालिटी ड्यूरिंग WAT और ड्यूरिंग TAT, मे बी ही लैक्ड समथिंग. सो देन GTO is sitting there, IO is sitting there. IO says sir similar thing, when I was noting it was present. GTO says मैंने भी कुछ नेगेटिव नहीं देखा. So then they ask psychologist, have a discussion. Then they ask psychologist, भाई हमने तो इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं देखी, are you willing to come up? That's 90 marks जो आपको देने हैं उसने, उसे he may have given you 70. So then if he agrees to come up, then you are selected. So there may be a chap who's selected. That doesn't mean उसने हर चीज सही करी है. Okay? Point I'm trying to tell you, you have a margin of error. एक दो गलतियां अगर आपसे हो भी गई हैं, it does not matter at all. There is a fair chance of you still making it. क्योंकि 100 out of 100 marks तो नहीं चाहिए ना. Pass percentage 30%, but let's say 60%, 70% is the minimum required. So you should be there. So do not put pressure on your mind कि मुझे father का word नहीं याद आया या respectable का word याद, एक आधा कोई बात नहीं यार, it doesn't matter. हो सकता है that may not be a word of consequence. I told you in those 15 qualities, some are of very high consequence and some are less consequence. You must have courage. You may not have stamina. Stamina वो तुम्हारी academy बनाएगी यार. अगर वो stamina वाला word था, they will not take very serious cognizance because वो number नहीं है कि 100 में से कितने marks score किए हैं, except for OIR. There is a subjective assessment. Yes, this guy lacks stamina, but stamina can be built. But this guy lacks courage. Courage cannot be built. He lacks moral courage. कि झूठ बोला, चोरी की to get the result. GTO ने पकड़ लिया. That is non-negotiable. But yes, stamina, physical stamina नहीं है, because probably games खेली है, इतनी अच्छी नहीं खेली है. वो academy में रगड़ा लगा के बना देगा stamina वो. So he may not take cognizance. Should he take cognizance? Let's say psychologist takes cognizance. अगर GTO कहता है कि नहीं, सर मैंने तो नहीं देखा, IO कहता है मैंने तो नहीं देखा ये negativity, so you will still go through. So don't keep that. Moment you put pressure on your mind, you start thinking too much about these things, you are definitely doomed. Then your normal efficiency goes down. Is that point clear?
Yes, yes.
Sir.
So one more question. Yes,
बाकियों को भी clear. Everybody else is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But don't put yourself under any kind of duress. Just because कि मेरे को ये नहीं पता, वो नहीं पता. या even करते समय, do not think कि मैं ये करना भूल गया या मेरे से गलती होगी. गलती होगी, own it up. Moment you own it up, you are सारे क्या बोलते हैं उसका पाप धुल गया, सारे खून माफ हो गए. अगर उसको गलती को माना नहीं, चोरी करके छुपाने की कोशिश की, तो समझो 100% you are doomed. And GTO की तरफ देखा कहीं वो देख तो नहीं रहा मेरे को, तो पक्का गए. That means you are trying to cheat. Is that point clear to all of you?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Second point. Devendra.
Sir, in the command task, a lot of candidates get easy tasks which could be completed in a minute or two, and some get hard. So as you said in the IO scenario, if IO is trying to put pressure on you, which means you are in the line of getting selected or getting hit.
Yeah.
So does the same apply with the GT also? If he has given us a hard command task?
It is everywhere the same, but in GTO only difference is even if you cannot complete the task, that does not mean you have failed. Even in the non-completion of the task, if your behavior was positive, your thing was competitive, you were contributive, आप उसमें अपने ideas भी दे रहे हैं, अपना हाथ भी लगा रहे हैं, अपना पूरा का पूरा सहयोग दे रहे हैं, तो आप पास हैं. अगर 45 मिनट में भी अगर वो 45 मिनट में अगर वो डिब्बा या वो ड्रम पास नहीं भी हुआ, वो इसका मतलब आपके बाकी वाले जो कैंडिडेट्स है वो कमजोर थे, वो शायद रिजेक्ट होंगे, आप नहीं होंगे. मगर अगर आप भी वहां पे जाके नेगेटिविटी दिखाएंगे कि साइड में खड़े हो जाएंगे कि ठीक है यार मेरे से नहीं होता, जो करना कर लो, तो फिर वो आपको पक्का रिजेक्ट करेगा. Okay.
Okay, sir. So one more doubt, sir.
Yeah.
The lecturate, sir. I don't have a template for writing a good lecturate.
There is no template for writing lecture. There is no template for writing lecturates. Moment he tells you this is he gives you 3 chits. You pick up one. You just see it's a.
Yes.
I think you are given 3 things. You have to open all 3. You choose out of 3 which one you want. One will be difficult, one moderate, one easier. कोशिश करनी है difficult वाला मिल जाए in case you know it. But in case you do not know the subject at all, go for the moderate one. But जब वो भी नहीं पता तो go for this thing easier one. Okay. Of course, you will get certain extra points if you use the most difficult one. You will get extra points for moderate one. and least points for the this thing. But then I give you example. You have to travel from Agra to Delhi. At least you on the train. चाहे वो AC फर्स्ट क्लास में ट्रैवल कर रहे हो या जनरल कंपार्टमेंट में कर रहे हो. जनरल कंपार्टमेंट में गर्मी लगेगी जबरदस्त, भीड़ भाड़ होएगी, बट दिल्ली तो पहुंचोगे ना यार. तो सिमिलरली कोशिश करनी है AC वन में बैठने की, नहीं तो कम से कम जनरल कंपार्टमेंट में रहो. देयर इज नो टेम्पलेट फॉर लेक्चरेट. ओके, यू सी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट, माइंड में डिसाइड करो यार इसमें कितने पॉइंट है बोलने वाले. लॉजिकली स्पीक देम वन आफ्टर द अदर. दैट्स ऑल. दैट इज ऑल द टेम्पलेट. और कोई टेम्पलेट नहीं.
Okay. Thanks.
क्या पूजा.
Sir, in case of lecturates, if there is any like India Pakistan or India neighboring countries relation, how to end those lecturates? Like what will be the
Endorse
ending?
means what? Ending is this. I feel India is doing well. Pakistan is a bad country. India must hit Pakistan. India must hit China. What else endorsement you want to do? And you give reasons for why you said it. This is Pakistan. 4 times they tried to wage a war on us. We defeated them. 71 when we created Bangladesh for them. They tried to send armed mercenaries, militants to India to disrupt our lives. Then they do propaganda by way of apps like TikTok. They send hawala money into our country, fake currency. 4 point ऐसे बोल के end में, so they are bad country. They try to destabilize us. We are a peace loving nation. We should try to give them appropriate reply. That is all is lecturate. What else is there?
Yes.
समझ गए? 4 point decide करो और उसके बाद में conclusion दे दो. So there is अगर
Sir, isn't this is a very aggressive stance?
टेम्पलेट ढूंढने जाओगे तो अपने आप को खामखा कंफ्यूज करोगे. ओके, या गौरव.
Isn't this is a very aggressive stance?
गौरव, वहां पे नहीं कोई पूछ रहा एग्रेसिव हो, इंटेलिजेंट हो, आइंस्टाइन हो, सेंट स्टीफन के हो, सरकारी स्कूल के हो. वो सिर्फ देख रहा है बात करते हो कि नहीं करते हो, अपना पॉइंट कन्वे करना आता है कि नहीं आता है. सो विच एवर एग्जाम हैपेंस इन SSB, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट एग्जाम. दैट इज नॉट टू सी योर नॉलेज. ऑफ कोर्स नॉलेज अगर है तो दैट इज अ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट. You the officer will be impressed. But अगर वो नहीं भी है, basics are there, you are through. And अगर बिल्कुल easy mind से सोचोगे, calm mind से सोचोगे, बिना complicate किए हुए, you will give the right answers. Aggressive है वो बाद में देखेंगे. Whether you anti China, but don't be anti India. Okay, those are not, that is non-negotiable. Parents, teachers, siblings, friends, and your country. Non-negotiable. Nobody likes to listen anything against them. बाकी कोई aggressive ऐसे कुछ मत करो. And be moderate and be logical. Only thing is you have to speak logically, act logically. इसके अलावा कोई तीसरी चीज नहीं मांग रहा वो आपसे. If you want to be through. Yes, if you have additional knowledge, वो उससे आप थोड़ा आपसे impress हो जाएगा. So that means your chances will go high, means your merit will go high. चलो ठीक, okay. Okay, any further question? You understood what I was trying to tell you there? Try to be
Some more questions.
Try to be contributive. Try to be active. Do not be a passive guy standing there doing nothing. And you should be speaking some kind of a sense which is contributing towards the planning and contributing towards the organization. That is all is required in the GTO. While as a psychologist is concerned, practice writing those things what you already know. Self description घर से तैयार करके जाओ, वो जो एक 1 TAT घर से तैयार करके जाओ, बाकी वालों की प्रैक्टिस करो. ओके, और स्क्रीनिंग में you have to speak, you have to come to a consensus. That is all is required. ज्यादा टेंशन में, ज्यादा दिमाग में don't get the sort of tension into your mind कि ये कैसे होगा, इसका जवाब क्या होगा. जब बोलोगे तो कोई ना कोई जवाब मिल जाएगा. Don't worry. But tongue tied नहीं रहना है. Like yesterday when the questions were being asked to General Vashisht, there was such a beautiful answer given by, I think was it Komal or somebody, when he said ask questions. She said I don't have a question right now. I'll ask you later. That is the kind of an answer you have to give. किसने बोला था कल? Anyway, you can see that in recording. पता चल जाएगा. Those are the things. Even if that girl did not know what question to ask, I asked her to ask question, so she spoke immediately. जैसे मुझे अभी कोई क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मैं बाद में पूछूंगी. That is the right answer. Rather than keeping quiet with mouth quiet. Moment you remain quiet means you are a zero. You're definitely rejected. Okay. और एक आधी गलती हो भी गई है, as long as you own it up, you tell him कि look, मेरे से गलती हो गई है, I'm sorry, I own it up. Means you are a person of moral values. Your moral courage is very high, that you can own up that yes, I made a mistake. और यही चीज he'll ask you in TAT also. वो देगा आम चोरी करने गए हो, पकड़े गए, yes, I have done it, sorry. Rather than saying कि नहीं, मैं उसको चुरा के निकल जाऊंगा, that is not the thing. You have to own yourself. Moral courage is very important. Okay. हाँ, अभी बोलो क्या बोलना है, देवेंद्र.
Sir, if you can't come to a conclusion in the GDs, so how would that affect this
Doesn't
election?
matter, as long as you have spoken and contributed, be happy. Don't worry about the conclusion. I'm saying group का final कोशिश करना है कि you should be contributing कि भाई final result आ जाए. That is your effort. But अगर finally नहीं भी आता है, don't worry about it. As long as you contributed, you tried. The question is you tried, and that chap is watching you, seeing. अगर उसको लगेगा कि देवेंद्र सिंह has tried, he will be very happy with you. You will get the marks required. But don't be a non-contributor. Don't be a negative contributor. कि तुम किसी की टांगे काट के बोल रहे हो तुम गलत हो मैं ठीक हूं. नहीं यार, तू भी ठीक है, पर अगर ऐसे करेंगे तो शायद ऐसे हो जाएगा. अब कोशिश करके देख लेते हैं ना. हमने कब कहा कि जो मैं कर रहा हूं वही सही है, पर तू भी ठीक कह रहा है, कोई बात नहीं. ओके, हम कोशिश कर लेते हैं. मेरा अगर काम नहीं बनेगा तो फिर तेरे से बात, तेरे पॉइंट पे देख लेंगे. दिस इज द वे यू हैव टू टैकल पीपल. या एनीबॉडी एल्स? नो.
Yes, sir. In PPDT, coming to a conclusion, like having a consensus, should we try to present our story strongly, or should we just divert with the group?
You will give as far as your giving a story is concerned, that will be from serial number wise, chest number 1 to chest number 15, one by one, 1 minute each. After
Yes,
you have spoken that, you have to do discussion on that.
Yes.
उसमें you have to try to come to a consensus. I mean, if out of 15, 12 people are saying some story, and you are you are not in that with the 12, you try to align with them. Doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
Do not try to say no, you 12 are wrong and I'm right. Don't do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And sir, one more question.
Yeah.
This might sound absurd, but talking about relationship and having a girlfriend.
There is nothing absurd in this world. It is your society makes the rules and makes it absurd. There's nothing absurd in this world. In SSB, there is nothing absurd unless it is stupid. If it is illogical, then it is absurd. He wants you to speak logically and frankly. Okay, it doesn't matter. Even if you disagree with IO, you don't have the same views as he has. He tells you, no, you are wrong. What I'm saying is right. Tell him, sir, I am saying because of this reason. You must have reasons to defend yourself. And then you say, sir, you may have your opinion. I have my opinion. Okay, you may not. Don't be. You don't have to be in agreement with everybody. But this is why I said this, because I feel this. Period. There's nothing absurd. Yeah. Now, what is it?
So, in the personal interview, like if the interviewing officer asks us about our relationship, having a girlfriend or not, like I heard from some seniors saying like not to mention about that because they will dig in deeper and then you will.
There is nothing wrong in it. There's nothing wrong in that. You have a girlfriend, tell him I have it. You don't have a girlfriend, tell him I don't have it. Period. Just say what the truth is. Do not get worried. That's what I'm saying. Again and again, I'm telling you guys, you people are creating problems for yourselves. जब वो पूछेगा तो जो सच है बता दो यार. There's nothing wrong in that. If you are a boy or from Northeast who's 20 years of age, and if you say that you don't have a girlfriend, I will never believe you. If you're a boy from Bombay, you said I don't have a girlfriend, I'll never believe you. But if you're a boy from, say, deepest village in Punjab, and you say I have a Laila is also there, I'm a Majnu, I'll take 20 minutes to think whether you're telling a lie or not. So it is your culture. Whatever is your culture, speak that out. And that is all is expected out of you. There's nothing wrong, right? Wrong is only if you lack moral courage. You cheat. You are a thief. You are a moral turpitude. That is wrong. Rest everything, nothing is wrong. You are a poor, doesn't matter. You are 50% marks, percent type of marks, no problems. As long as you speak well, you contribute, you show your confidence, you are a good guy in a group, you're perfectly all right. Yeah.
Sir, in the group discussion, if we have a stance which is opposite to the group, will it affect our
As long as you
percentage
have,
or
as long as you have your reasons to say what you are saying, it could be a group discussion, it could be an interviewing officer, it could be anybody. As long as your stance is defendable, it is okay. That means you're thinking, and that is what they want. उसमें थिंकिंग में क्या करना है वो आपको एकेडमी सिखा देगी जो आर्मी को चाहिए. बट एट द मोमेंट यू शुड बी नॉट बी अ नॉन थिंकर. बट थिंकिंग, इट शुड नॉट बी वियर्ड थिंकिंग. इलॉजिकल थिंकिंग भी नहीं होनी चाहिए, और मॉरल टर्पिट्यूड नहीं होना चाहिए, चोरी नहीं होनी चाहिए, और झूठ नहीं होना चाहिए, धोखा नहीं होना चाहिए. These qualities should not be there.
Sir, I remember a topic on which I was having a discussion on LGBT, the recent act LGBT, I think. So on that, I had a stance which was against the group, and they didn't particularly found it good.
You should speak what you have to. As I said, you say all right, what you're saying is all right, but this is my viewpoint. I appreciate the point given by chest number 20, but I have to say this. Let's see what chest number 19 says. Let's see so and so. You have to emerge as a leader in the group. Your ideas are not very important. Your articulation as a leader of the group, that you are trying to carry the group, that is more important. और यही तो मैंने उस दिन आपको बताया था, और यही जूम में क्लास में भी है, रिकॉर्डिंग में, और यही वीडियो में भी है, और आप लोग उसको देखते नहीं हो. Yeah, what else? That is why I said SSB training should be minimum 6 months with me, and not 10 days like what you get in the market. Because you are again going back to the same point which I have reiterated so many times. ये 16 टेस्ट में से 32 से ज्यादा पॉइंट नहीं है जो तुमको याद रखने हैं. हर टेस्ट में 2-3 चीजें हैं which you have to remember. बट आप लोग उसको भूल जाते हो और अपनी रीइन्वेंट करते हो. As I told you, NLP में क्या होता है? So much of data being bombarded on you, so you are worried. You do not know which one to be deflected out, deleted. I told you ना, delete, associate and generalize. याद है कि भूल गए हो?
Sir, can you explain that one more time?
No, you see the video.
Yes, sir,
I've explained it. I've explained it at least 20 times.
Sir, can
So
we
I tried
get
to
the
find it,
link
sir.
in the group?
What is it?
So there are a lot of videos, and trying to find that one particular point.
No, you study all the videos. All the videos are something or the other. If you study all the videos, 99% you will make it for the SSB. But you don't study the videos. That is the problem. 100 times I said those videos are not for entertainment. Take paper and a pen, sit in front of the video, put the pause button in your hand. Moment a point is spoken, note it down. Then move, pause, note it down. फिर pause off करो, आगे चलो, note it down. There are 20 odd videos. If you see all of them, you will not have any doubt left in the thing at all. That is why today I said no interviews. We've done enough interviews. Now let me clarify the doubts. Because unfortunately, you people are looking for the quick fix solutions. You're not understanding the spirit because you're not listening to the videos properly. If you're really interested, whenever your SSB is coming, before you go for the SSB, make sure that you master my videos. Like, think that you have to make those videos on your own. If you seriously sit down with you have mobile in your hand, you seriously sit down with a YouTube, and if you study all those videos, you will 99.9% I'm giving you a guarantee. If you don't pass, come back to me.
So a question, sir, about the IU.
Yeah.
Sir, what kind of questions can be asked if I have a hobby of reading books, mostly fiction and philosophical books?
I've again covered in that. Now tell me, suppose you were the IO and I am sitting in front of you. I say my hobby is reading. What will you ask me? Tell me. What will you ask me? You are the IO. I'm the candidate in front of you.
So I'll ask the book you are currently reading and the types of book you like to read. Your favorite book.
What did you learn from the last book you read?
This is exactly he's going to ask you. इसके अलावा और क्या पूछेगा? You may say I read Shakespeare's Ben-Hur. He'll ask you about some character just to find out, not to know that you can do characterization properly or not. Literature का एग्जाम नहीं ले रहा वो सिर्फ ये देख रहा है कि वो Ben-Hur पढ़ी है या झूठ बोल रहे हो. That is all he's going to ask you. Moment you tell him, sir, this character, that character, is okay, fine. Next question. उतना उसको भी नहीं आता होगा.
Sir, I have a set of hobbies which are very for the other people, for the, like, even for my parents, they are very you can say unproductive. So is it a problem to have such like gaming and these kind of hobbies, YouTubing and gaming?
This is not good, but you tell him, sir, in my spare time.
According to me, these are productive.
You say, sir, in my spare time I do this. He'll ask you some question. What do you do? Tell him whatever you do. यानी कि उसको जानबूझ के एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन क्यों बनाना है, इसको घोटा मारना है यार. What do you do in the evening? Sir, I go to the market to have a pan with my friends. बात खत्म होगी. तो गंदी बात है. But why do you create a thing कि नहीं सर पान नहीं, मैं तो रसगुल्ला खाने जाता था. चलो पान खाए, बता दो सर. I tell the पान वाला कि इसमें इतना चूना डालना, इतना कत्था डालना, इतना, यही पूछेगा वो. अगर रसगुल्ला खाने जाओगे तो हलवाई का नाम पूछ लेगा वो. एंड जिसकी हलवाई की दुकान पे जा रहे हो उसका नाम नहीं बता सकते.
So hobbies being productive or unproductive means nothing.
Do not get into anything as long as your hobbies you're happy, but they should not be negative. Not that whatever that game he was, which was committing suicide. What was the name of the game? Don't say those kind of things. Rest is okay. What is
But
it?
sir, considering that
What is the name of the game?
Blue whale, sir.
Yeah, blue whale.
Blue
So
whale.
don't. That is already
Yes, sir.
under the scanner. So don't get those kind of things. Okay. Say, sir, I like to watch videos on YouTube. Okay, which kind of videos? Sir, I like to watch films. I like to watch songs. Okay, which song did you hear? Sir, वो राजेश खन्ना गाना गाया था उसने. तो गा के सुना दो. अब यहाँ पे he is not expecting to become किशोर कुमार और राजेश खन्ना and sing like that. जैसा भी आता गा दो. Period. He wants to know whether you've done it or not. That is all is the thing. कि आप सच बोल रहे हो कि नहीं बोल रहे हो. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं पूछेगा वो. You are unnecessarily complicating your mind. ये सोच के पता नहीं क्या पूछने वाला है वो. Now he is not going to ask you anything special. Okay, you feel कि okay वो क्या पूछेगा. Think that you were the IO, that exercise I made you do just now. कि क्या question पूछेगा. 100% वही question पूछेगा जो आपके दिमाग में आएगा. Okay.
Sir, the why I asked the question is because I've read a lot of books, but I don't remember the gist of it. As Gaurav asked, what you learned from the book. So
You don't have to remember the gist, but you will roughly remember the story. It was a love story.
Yes. Yes.
300 पेज की किताब पढ़ने में अगर हफ्ता लगाया, कम से कम कैरेक्टर्स के नाम तो याद हैं.
Yes.
That is what is going to ask you. उसने कहानी नहीं पूछनी वहां पे. लिटरेचर का एग्जाम नहीं है कि राइट द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स. वो नहीं पूछना उसने. सिर्फ पूछना हुआ द कैरेक्टर्स क्या करते हैं, क्या होता है, एंड में क्या होता है, बता दो. सर पिक्चर, सर एंड का पता नहीं, अभी तक मैंने बुक खत्म नहीं करी, चल रही है. So I don't know. अभी तक तो ये हुआ है. इतनी बात है आईओ की.
Sir, having a low percentage.
मुश्किल चीज वो आपको तभी करेगा when he puts you into some kind of situation. That is the time he is trying to know your reaction. तो उस वक्त जो दिमाग में रिएक्शन आती बताओ, जो लॉजिकल रिएक्शन है बता दो. उसमें भी he doesn't want you to become a Spider-Man. Just walking on the road, somebody is molesting a girl, what do you do? पहले मैं लड़की को छुड़ाऊंगा सर और पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म करूंगा. इतने 2 सेंटेंस बोलने हैं. वहां से थोड़ी देखना कि तुमने कितने थप्पड़ मारे थे और तुमने कितने खाए या किसने किसको मारा. सर मैं छुड़ा लूंगा उसको. लड़के बदमाश छेड़ रहे थे, मैं बदमाशों को मारा, उनको पुलिस में दे दिया. 2 सेंटेंस बोलने हैं, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है. आप लोग क्यों कॉम्प्लिकेट कर रहे हो यार. या व्हाट एल्स.
Sir,
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 having a
question
low
about
percentage in
Gaurav's hobby.
people.
Sir, as Gaurav said that he has a hobby of gaming, mobile gaming. Sir, as you had a lecture about OLQs in the first OLQ, effective intelligence, you said that your daily routine should be preemptive, or you should not waste time on unproductive things. Sir, if Gaurav
You
has
tell,
a bad
yeah,
hobby or time
you
wasting
tell,
hobby,
you
would
tell
they
him, sir.
wouldn't
You
there be?
tell him, sir, that I do gaming with my friends. I don't do it alone. There are so many games on the internet which are played by 2 or more people. Tell him, sir, हम इकट्ठे मिलके खेलते हैं. अकेले बोलोगे तो तुम्हारे
Agreed, sir.
against जाएगा.
And another thing is now it has become esports. So the outdoor sports we play, there is now a community which plays esports also. It have
Yeah.
become a recognized game.
Yeah, you can tell him, sir, I play golf, I play cricket, I do racing, 2 of us do it, we do this thing. यानी कि individual, अकेला अगर बंदा कहेगा मैं अकेले बैठ के गेमिंग करता हूँ, means you are a loner. That is against your factor 2 and factor 3. So don't do that. But tell him that I do it with the people. That is the only difference. और क्या करते हो पूछेगा, बता दो उसको. Yeah, Rohan, you've been raising your hand.
Yeah, sir, good evening, sir. So my question is the purpose of asking in interview when the IO asks you back-to-back questions like 6 to 7 on academics, your subject you like, you dislike, teachers, and all these questions. So what is the purpose of asking these questions back-to-back? Like, is it checking our memory power, or what is the main purpose?
You study those videos and come back to me.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
If even your doubts are not clarified after that, then you ask me, because I'm sick and tired of answering this.
Okay, sir, I'll check them.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Study all those 20 videos and show me your notes, what you made
Okay,
out
sir.
of them. They are not for entertainment.
Yes.
Okay, they are not for
Yes, sir.
entertainment. They are for studying. There is a message everywhere. Note down those things and share it with everybody and show it to me. You come for
Okay,
the
sir.
first time today, if I'm not wrong.
No, sir, I've been there like randomly. I'm attending the classes
Yeah, that is
like
why you asking
from
this.
last week.
That means that is why you asking this question, because you're not serious. Because I'm not charging you any money. You said बाबा जी की कथा आज भी सुनाते हैं, चलो कल मैं पिक्चर देखने जाना छोड़ देते हैं, परसों फिर चले जाएंगे. है तो सही ना वहां पे, आज नहीं मिला तो कल मिल जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा यार. That is not the way. If you're not serious, I too will not be serious. Why do you want to waste my time and everybody else's time?
Okay, sir.
You ask me a question which I have not replied anywhere, I'll be happy to answer. But
Okay, sir, I'll
what
check.
I've already I've spent a lot of money. How much money it takes to make a video? Rohan Kumar Malik. एक वीडियो कितने रुपए का बनता है?
Some thousands, sir, 2,000. I don't have any idea.
Try and get an idea and find out how much it takes to make 150 videos.
Okay, sir.
Who's paid for this money? Am I taking anything from you?
No, sir.
That is why you don't take it seriously. If you would have paid for it, you would have been very serious about it. You don't mind paying 1 lakh to the coaching institute, isn't it? Do you, or you don't?
I do
Gaurav?
mind, sir.
No, but you all pay happily. 2 to 3 lakhs rupees you pay for 6 months, don't you? And here you are free, you don't want to see the videos.
I'll check them, sir. I'll surely do it.
Okay.
I'll show the
anybody
notes later.
Yeah, KV. And
Sir,
Rohan,
I have a doubt.
Where are you from, Rohan?
I'm, sir, from Gujarat, sir.
Which place?
Near Godhra, sir, Dahod.
Okay, and what is you are going for NDA or you are going for CDS?
I'm, sir, CDS, sir.
Okay, which college are you?
So I'm studying in Anand I'm doing bachelor's from Sardar Patel University, and I'm in a final year.
BSc, BCom, BA.
So BSc in physics.
Okay, good. So make sure that you do it well. Study those things and come back to me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Definitely.
KV. Yeah, KV.
Sir, I don't have a question right now.
I thought you raised
Sir, I have a
your hand.
sir, I have a
who's
doubt.
that? Who?
Sir, Arun.
Yeah, Arun, go ahead.
Sir, actually, I have seen a TAT picture in that there are 3 people sitting in a room. One is smoking and the other is actually distributing the cards. They are playing cards,
Okay.
and there is
Okay.
a lighter kept on the table, and there is a small
Mm-hmm.
child was standing there. So, sir, actually, this is a negative impression of that picture. So, actually, sir, I'm not finding the hero in that story. So, I have added another character, the small child's mother, and the small
Okay.
child mother was seeing all that from the kitchen, and she come there and scolded all those three people that it is not good, you are doing wrong, and it creates a bad impression towards her child. So she scolded all three people. One of them is her husband, and she asked him to leave house, and she also scolded her husband for that also. So it is good that we can add another character for that TTAT, so that
You can
because I'm not
always
getting.
you can always add a character. There's no problem. In fact, I said add
Okay, sir.
as many characters as you want. Rather, you must
Okay.
add more characters who can help you. Okay. There's nothing
Okay.
wrong with it. But try and look for an emergency into it. What
Yes,
is
sir.
what can be the emergency? That boy is likely to be
Sir,
spoiled
actually,
seeing that guy smoking or playing cards. You're trying
yeah,
to save it.
it creates a negative. Yeah.
ठीक है, तो उसके लिए आपने पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म कर दिया कि अपने बच्चे को बचा लो, हस्बैंड मत बनाओ उसको, ठीक है. He could be some known person, relation
No, sir.
who's trying.
Her husband. No, sir. Her husband called two of their friends on our house, on
Yeah,
their
you
house for
can do
that
that,
party. That's why.
or you can do whatever you want to, but try to make it as something wherein you
Okay.
save the child from being getting into a bad company. You must
Yes,
add
sir.
characters so that you can show your factor 2 and factor 3. उसमें जितने characters
Yes,
add
sir. It
करोगे,
shows the responsibility and initiative.
absolutely, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही है.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead with
Thank
that.
you, sir.
Okay. Who else?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, as you said in those TET pictures and PPTT, we have to create an emergency or urgency.
Mhm.
Sir, I saw a lecture from a psychologist. Sir, he said that if we make a lot of stories regarding creating emergencies, urgencies, it shows our negativity, that we are perceiving only negative things or
No,
emergencies by ourselves.
no. What I told you was so that you get into habit of writing that. Okay. There will be 12 pictures plus one blank. You will be like just now Arun Singh said, what is the negativity in this? What is the urgency in this? Nothing. वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. अगर आप एक बारी माइंडसेट में आ जाओगे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. कोशिश करना बनाने की, और उसमें वो जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट बोल रहा है कि दे मे बी ए रोड साइड सीन एंड यू मेक इट अ कैलेमिटी ऑफ कि लड़ाई होगी थी, इंडिया पाकिस्तान की लड़ाई होगी, सो दे वर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द रोड एंड वाचिंग. वैसे मत करो. बाकी यू डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, गो अहेड विद दैट. What I am telling you is after 12 years of research and not whatever that guy served over there, the 2 months of training. Okay? So उसकी चिंता मत करो. Do not clutter your mind with so many inputs. You come to me, get used to only one kind of input and work on that. उसी logic पे बने रहो, you will be through for the SSB.
Okay, sir.
Okay, who else? ये कौन है? देवन जान कौन है? Have you come for the first time? Switch on your video.
Yes, sir.
Switch on your video. Where are you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you come for the first time today?
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
Sir, I'm from West Bengal, sir.
Which place?
Sir, Barakpur, sir.
And what are you going for?
Sir, I'm preparing for NDA, sir. Actually.
Okay, good. So keep your things as simple as possible. More you complicate, more you will be worried. And don't put your mind under so much of pressure now that your SSB is just a few days away. Okay, any other questions?
Sir, having a low percentage in 12th.
Yeah,
Okay,
low
go
percentage. Bolo. What is
Hello?
happening to? Yeah, what is happening to low
Haan ji, sir.
percentage?
So, is it wrong or how to cover up such things?
No, but how much is your percentage?
Around 60. 60 actually.
So 60%, what is your mind? You think you're a useless guy? You think?
No, but sometimes people come up with this narrative that you are useless and it's wrong.
Tell him, sir, I'm not useless. I may have got 60% marks, but I'll be a very good leader. Leader बनने के लिए in the army, you don't need percentage of marks. Sir, I am a very good coordinator with others. I am very good in adventure sports. I want to be there. I don't want to study. I'm not very much, yes, I have to clear the studies, but I'm not very fond of studies. I've got bent of mind to be more adventurous, for which I haven't got a chance. So I want to go there. So what if my marks are less? I'll compensate somewhere else. That confidence you should have. And not कि भाई 60% marks आ गए मैं तो मर गया. नहीं सर मैं मरने वाला नहीं हूँ. सर तू तो useless है 60%. No sir, I'll do much better in flying. I want to be a fighter pilot. I'll do much better sitting in a tank. I'll do much better on Siachen heights. I'll be a mountaineer. वहां तो नंबरों की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती ना कि फिजिक्स में कितने नंबर आए थे. माउंटेनियरिंग में पूछेगा क्या?
The interviewer in my NCC interview, he asked me that you had 60% in your 12th. If you would have had better, you could have gone for NDA. You wouldn't have lost a chance. So I didn't had an answer for this.
So you tell them, sir. So what if I had 60%? But once I go to the NDA, I'll do this. I'll be a very good flyer. I'll be a very good sailor. I'll be a very good mountaineer. There I don't need percentage. I'm not very fond of studies. What he's asking you is to give you the reply properly and not the content of reply. Content of reply is not that important. It is important, but वहां पे अगर आपने जो balance कर लिया is good enough. You need not be the topper. So do not have that in your mind. If he asks you that means he's putting you under pressure.
Yes,
he's
sir.
checking you. कि अभी आप मैं बोलता हूँ 60% वाला है तू तो साला एनडीए का लायक ही नहीं है तो क्या बोल रहा है अपने एनडीए में जाने में. कि सर एनडीए में सारे 60% वाले नहीं होते. एनडीए में लोगों को सीजीपीए 3 भी आती है. एनडीए में सीजीपीए होती है ग्रेजुएशन में. पहले सर वहां 3 भी आती है लोगों की. एंड yet they become officers. So my percentage doesn't matter. My other qualities will matter. I'm positive. I want to be a outdoor person. I'll do well over there. लेकिन सर अभी तक तुमने क्या किया? सर अभी तक मैं करना चाहता हूँ, मौका नहीं मिला मेरे को करने का. I belong to a particular society where I'm not allowed to go for flying. I can't go for a mountaineering. But once I go to NDA, once I join the Army, Navy, Air Force, I'll do all these things. I'll be a good leader. Yeah. Who else?
Sir, what's the difference between the interview of fresher and repeater, sir? Are there any hard lines for the repeaters?
कोई difference नहीं है. Once you are a repeater, they'll try to dig up your past. Why did you not make it last time? Because whatever your marks are there, they make you write. If you appeared for SSB before, which SSB was it? Which batch number? What was your chest number? And which time was it? So they'll take your record out and see if you were found wanting in the psychologist. तो इस बारी वो तुम्हारा psychologist check करेंगे ठीक से. अगर वो improve हो गया तो you are through. नहीं हुआ तो you are doomed. But then you don't know when you were screened out or when you were not selected, for what reason. So they will check that. That is the only difference. But basic remains, you be positive, you be contributive, you be cooperative, you will be through. And basics जो आपको पता होना चाहिए, TAT कैसे लिखना है, WAT कैसे लिखना है, SRT कैसे लिखना है, GTO के सामने कैसे behave करना है, interviewing officer के सामने कैसे जवाब देना है. That is all is required. Yeah, anybody else? Okay, if you don't have answers, questions to ask me, we got only 5 minutes left. I'm telling you again, all those guys, you come again tomorrow, ask me questions. Because I know, because your biggest problem is your minds are working in a very, very, centrifuge manner, in a very fast pace. And you're getting unnecessary rut into them and spoiling your own mind and reducing your chances of success in SSB. So put your mind at rest, do some meditation. And if you want to do the meditation, what I told Rohan Kumar Malik today, all of you see those 20 videos, Zoom के भी और दूसरे वाले भी, and make notes. SSB playlists are there. They're very clearly given. Ask Varun sir to give you the links. Study all of them, make notes. If you go by that, take it, those are the answers. If you see the videos, properly study them, see them again and again, you will not make a mistake. Or whatever you do will not be a mistake. That is all I want to tell you. So if you're serious about making it, do that. You have time. Whose interview starts on 14th? Niharika?
No, sir. 25th August.
25th. 14th kiska hai? Somebody said 14th also. So anyway,
Riya, I think. Riya.
Riya was already gone.
Riya.
Huh? Riya has gone for
her
SSB
interview was on Monday. Yes, sir. Yes,
Riya
sir.
has already
You're right.
gone. So
It
all of
was
you,
Sonam.
okay, you do that. Study those videos once again. I have told Varun sir, उन्होंने उनको playlist में डाल दिया है. Zoom की playlist अलग है, videos की playlist अलग है. There are two types of things. One is a Zoom meeting which I do with you. Whatever I do, that complete recording is available. उसमें all questions asked or whatever is taught is there. Plus there are certain videos also. Both the playlists are there. Take those in your this thing and study them and make notes.
All these videos are coming up on YouTube in 1 or 2 days. Almost all videos.
No, 1 or 2 days. There are playlists available. Go to the channel, Brigadier guides you, and see
Yes,
the
sir.
playlist and play them one by one and make notes.
Yes, sir.
You don't have to locate them. They'll come one after the other in a playlist.
In the playlist.
उनको अच्छी तरह से पढ़ो, सुनो और notes बनाओ. And then ask me questions tomorrow and day after. Okay? Anybody else any question? Chalo, no question, then we leave. And tomorrow evening, Riya Singhal, you are here?
Sir.
Riya?
Hello.
Riya, haven't you
Yes,
left?
sir. No, sir. Sir, I'm in Dehradun actually right now.
Okay, you're calling for Dehradun? Oh, wonderful. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You reported to the SSB?
Sir, my SSP is on 8th August.
Okay, fine. So I hope you're not cluttering your mind unnecessarily. Heartbeat बढ़ गई है क्या? देहरादून पहुंच गए? Riya?
No, sir.
Be calm.
Right now, yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, good. So see those videos and make notes and then get back to me tomorrow. Everyone must have at least 10 questions to ask. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, see you tomorrow in the evening then.
Sir,
Yeah, okay.
I was watching your videos since some days, and I have an observation. I have, sir, F-16 is 4th generation fighter pilot.
Huh?
That was in you said in an interview F-16 is third generation, so it is 4th generation.
Yeah, 4th generation.
I was watching.
It is not a classical 4th generation. It is actually a 3rd generation only, but usko 4th generation kar diya. Whenever you talk about the generations of the aircraft, there are certain capabilities that must be there. So F-16 has got versions. It starts from F-16 A, B, C, D, E, F. Likewise. So
Yes,
if
sir.
you have
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
Okay. If you have an earlier version, then it is nothing. Like even the MiG-21, which came earlier, were nothing. Today you have a lot of advanced avionics on those. So that is how the
Yes,
things
sir.
are there. But if you
Yes, sir.
you can tell if somebody asks you, you say it's a 4th generation aircraft. Because the present day version which America is making, that can be called 4th generation.
It is 4th generation.
Like your Rafale is higher than 4 and less than 5.
4.5. Yes, sir.
There's nothing called 4.5. You're a 2nd generation or a 3rd generation in your house. Your Dadaji is 1st generation, let's say. Your father is 2nd, you are 3rd, isn't it? अब यहाँ पे 2.5 क्या होगा?
Sir, Rafale is particularly called 4.5 or 4 plus plus.
Yeah,
These
that
have
is-
special avionics from 5th generation.
That is what I'm trying to tell you. That when it is not fully 5th, but it is higher than 4th. But
It
he's
have
called
avionics of 5th.
It's called 4.5. You tell me your grandfather is 1st generation, your father is 2nd generation, you are 3rd generation. What is 1.5 generation in your family or 2.5 generation?
Nothing.
कौन है?
Nothing.
So that is how it is. So when you make an F-16, it starts F-16A was made in something like 75, 76.
89.
Or whatever,
89 around.
89 may have come out. It was made much earlier. So A, B, C. Pakistan was given B. F-16
Yes, sir.
B
B and C.
initially and C later. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is how the things improve. The version improves. Aircraft is the same. उसका avionics better हो गया, उसमें software better हो गया, weapon system better हो गया, capability बढ़ गई. So that is how it is
Yes,
called.
sir.
Like that.
And I really appreciate your knowledge of Navy and Air Force. Even after being from Army, you have a very vast knowledge of Navy and Air Force. I saw in these interviews.
My dear sir, don't appreciate my knowledge. Look after your knowledge. I've
Yes,
got
sir.
two.
I'm trying to gain from you, sir.
I have done 2 PhDs, doing a third one, and I got 7 MSCs. So forget about my knowledge.
Wow.
You just concentrate on your SSB. That is more important.
Yes, sir.
If you just listen to what I'm saying, you will gain a lot. If you keep
Yes,
complicating
sir. I'm
yourself,
trying to, sir.
if you'll keep complicating yourself, you'll gain nothing. Okay. Chalo, see you tomorrow,
So
and go and see the
just a
videos.
question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the choice of service section in the PIQ, so do we have to write Indian Army, Indian Air Force, or the branch we want to join in the Indian Army?
You can write, if you're going for Army SSB, write Army Armored Corps, Army Infantry. You can write that. Air Force Admin, Air Force Fighter Flying, Air Force Transport Pilots, Navy Executive Branch, Navy Logistics Branch. You can write all that. Okay, no problem.
Sir, my best friend's father is a martyr. He was from Rajputana Rifles, Fatehgarh, if I remember correctly. So
Okay.
can I say that? Sir, Indian Army, Rajputana Rifles.
Okay, right. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. Somebody asks you, tell him, sir, I've been impressed by Rajputana Rifles because my friend's father was there. It's okay. Perfectly all right. Confusion की कोई बात नहीं है इसमें.
Okay.
चलो, see you tomorrow then.
Yes,
See you
sir.
tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Must have questions tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.